staying in her sleep. Brother's got a date to keep, he can't hang around. Our house in the middle of